Hey folks, I'm Dellasala with Audio Hawks. We are with the man, the myth, the legend, Anthony Grimani. How are you doing, my friend?
Well,
my fellow Paisan. Awesome. There's a lot of technology packed in this room. Anthony was in here calibrating. Matthew Pose was in there helping out. A lot of engineering went into this room. Why don't you give us a rundown? I see the sponsors here in this room. You got Storm Audio, Seymour AV, of course, Grimani Systems. Give us a rundown of what was involved in building this room.
Right, that's a good one. So Seymour decided we're going to do a booth, and then they contacted Storm and hey, do you want to join us? And then Storm contacted us. Hey, do you want to join us as a speaker supplier together with row 1 seating? And it's like, okay, sounds great. We started with the dimensional plans of the booth. It's 24 by 16 by 10. And we looked at the space and did our normal engineering gig, which is we calculated all the standing waves, all the echo character, where do we put speakers, where do we put seats, etc., like we normally do when we're doing a theater for a client, and produced a plan set and said, okay, this is what we're going to do. So then we built up all the speakers, got all the absorbers, diffusers, all that stuff, made the plan, and came over here and set it up. So what's interesting about this is you only get one shot, and you only get really 3 days, 2.5 to 3 days. So you got to design it and do it right. It's not like, oh, we're going to mess around with it until it sounds right. It's like, it's got to be like clockwork. What we did is put everything per the engineered plan, fired it up, calibrated on the standards, fine-tuned it with what's called direct art, and the rest is exactly what you heard, no more, no less. So no trial and error. It worked right out of the gate, which is what we like to do. Do it right the first time.
So you had 23 or 24 speakers, including the subs?
There's 23 speakers, including the subs.